Hello friends and followers, this is Smoe from Germany, and today I'm here at the legendary dedicated graffiti store from Cologne. And the nice owner of this shop, Babak, invited us. Babak, say hello. 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 To paint inside here. You know this guy over here? We painted already several times.
Cool guys. Hi friends and followers of Smoe. Nice
you know
to
this
meet
guy,
you again.
BIATSCH, and we want to paint in this tunnel over there. Everything's already grounded in a very dark white.
Oh, that is the joke.
And a lot of other cool artists have already been here. The legendary Ombre painted a nice character over here, and it is yeah, to be honest, look at these thin lines. Crazy. Zaire 4. I don't know the other guy who painted here with Ombre. S-A-I-R and a 4. We have a nice train over here, dedicated. And at this moment I still don't know what I want to paint. Okay, let's start. Okay, friends and followers, I hope that you enjoyed this nice raw series. I will show you some of the details now.
And so if you want to paint a shadow on black, the only option you have is to make the light visible besides the shadow. Now this is something that I found out, I would say, 1 year ago, after 18 years of painting, and suddenly I had the problem that it was not the problem because I was painting in black, I just did not have enough different colors within the fill-in. In my opinion, is more difficult and more time wasting than just using a stupid piece of cardboard.
Yeah. This is the whole secret about the drop shadow continuing over background elements. And I decided to add these thin drops that are coming out of the venom spit to make the effect more obvious. I really like it when stuff is obvious.